Welcome to my channel. Today topic is showing on screen. Man gives clear expression of his thought, ideas, imagination, opinion, feeling by speaking or writing, mostly through group of words. Such group of words are arranged in a definite order and they express a complete and meaningful sense. Such a group of words is called sentence. A complete definition is a sentence is an arrangement of a group of words that makes a complete and meaningful sense. Look at the following group of words. The please shut door. The moves are the sun around. The above given group of words cannot be called a sentence because they have not been arranged in a definite order and neither does it makes any sense. Now give a verb. Try arrange Now try arranging the given group of words. Please shut the door. The earth moves around the sun. The above written group of words will be called a sentence because they are arranged in definite order and they give expression to complete and meaningful sense.